I'm Nathan Cedar from Nathan Cedar Builders, and welcome to the Alpine shed we built. Installing an Alpine shed is easy for us. Everything's done for us, all the plans are easy to follow. All the engineers have made it very simple. My guys love building Alpine sheds. They can't wait. 9 times out of 10 when they've come back here just to make sure everything was okay for the shoot, and they'll just like, can't wait for the next one. So a lot of the key features in an Alpine building are their steel rafter systems and also how the purlins sit inside the rafters. So what this enables is a full bird-proof system once finished. So people, obviously with high-end vehicles or whatever it may be, don't come into problems with birds, basically, or anything that may live in the rafters. Another key feature with their system is the amount of strength as the building itself. That a lot of the competitors that I've done and have built sheds for rely on the iron for strength, whereas the building itself is so strong that the cladding is basically an accessory. It's not part of the engineering of it. But yeah, very strong. Obviously Kiwi made for Kiwi conditions. Gotta love Kiwi built. Working with Alpine is easy. The team are great. Yeah, what more can I say? If I had that backup for everything that I installed or sold or passed on to customer, selling an Alpine shed is easy. I mean, they're so friendly, so easy to deal with, and there's no hidden cost, nothing. It's good. One thing I want to go through with the Alpine sheds is I get asked by customers, and usually when I meet the customers, it's after I've talked with the team at Alpine. I go visit the customers and they'll have 3 or 4 quotes. One will be obviously Alpine's quote and then the competitor's quote. And then quite often you'll ask, why are they a little bit more expensive, or why are they so expensive up front? Now, I've built a lot of different sheds, from custom made sheds, one-off, to steel sheds, to pole sheds. And basically I explain, when you're building an Alpine pole shed, it's the Ferrari of pole sheds. So you're getting the best of everything quality-wise, plus you've got all the backup from the team. Second to none. So the cost comparison when I build other sheds to an Alpine shed is you got the upfront costs, and I get it a lot, but it's the time saving because somebody in the background at Alpine has done all the engineering, done the thinking for you. It's very simple, it goes fast, you save on labour, and the end result when I've back costed the jobs is more or less the same. But for the client, they don't see it straight away. They just got the quote up front and they look at it and go, but it's the cost saving that counteracts the engineering part of the shed, so it makes it a good quality item at the end. The design of an Alpine shed is, again, a very simple system. You can change anything you like. We've changed this shed ever so slightly actually from the plans that were given to us. I changed the location of the clear light in the back of the shed because my customer works a lot in the afternoon, so we made sure there was plenty of sun coming through this side of the shed. So you can change whatever you like really. And lining the sheds, I mean, because they're timber, made of timber girts, and there's the flexibility with that, yeah, makes it a dead easy shed to customise to your needs. The clear span system from Alpine is an easy one because quite often when a guy builds a shed, it's not, oh, can we save space? It's how big can we build these sheds? And Alpine have got the answer, as big as you like, more or less. I haven't seen an Alpine shed too big for any customer yet. They can cater for some very large buildings, and so again, most blokes want a big shed, and yeah, they can cater for that. It is easy to recommend an Alpine shed to anybody. They are the best in their field. Like I said, it's the Ferrari of pole sheds, so it's not hard. My job's not hard to sell a Alpine shed. I just want people to get their head around the costing part. So you're saving labour, and that's the biggest thing. So don't be put off by your upfront costs, because yeah, it saves in the long run for a better quality product. Here at Nathan Cedar Builders in Manuawatu, we're more than happy to work with people with their new shed designs, with Alpine sheds obviously, and we can talk about the benefits of owning an Alpine shed.